If you had the chance to rebuild something completely from scratch today, how would you do it differently? It makes you into a bit of an inventor. I think that's a wonderful thing.
AI is for me the most accessible technology that has ever been there. And not only super accessible, but also very, very capable.
Coming in this morning, it really felt like a Langdock event in the best way possible.
Everything from the food, the lighting, the atmosphere, the speakers. It's a really fantastic day that you've brought together, and I can feel that everyone else is also feeling that.
It was really energizing, but also it felt really inspiring to the part that people were really open to share, like where they're working on, like where they're thriving on, but also, like where they had failures.
The workforce will dramatically change over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And we believe that it is also the responsibility of an employer to give the employees a clear path to future-proof and to strengthen their development.
Until now, we made a conscious decision to not have a top-down approach.
I think it comes from the bottom. People need to be interested, they need to see the value in it. And if you just allow people to be experimenting themselves, I think there's where the best and greatest benefit actually lie.
My real takeaway is that I left feeling so excited to spend this weekend learning more. And I think that's the most amazing sort of takeaway you can have, when you have this genuine excitement and you're really looking forward to spending your own time learning more about the tool and the process and the mentality. It sparked a little bit of wonder in me. So I think it was really, really great.